Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys, and this card is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Sagittarius, and I also have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can stay tuned, guys. Watch that reading so that may clear doubts or confusions you have in your mind about your situation. So let's start with these cards first, guys. We have Six of Wands in reverse, Page of Wands in reverse, and Knight of Swords in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, it may relate to your career situation, or it may relate to your personal life situation, guys. So you have some kind of fear, Sagittarius, maybe fear of your future, or you are afraid that certain things may come in between you and this other person you love. So some kind of apprehensions or worries in your situation today, guys, and things are not happening as expected, guys. Maybe you feel that you cannot trust this person. Maybe you feel that the way they speak or the way they behave, that they are not reliable to you. Some kind of worries or stress because of that, guys, Sagittarius. And Sagittarius, in your situation, it may be in your again in your career, someone is really envious of you. They are competing with you, trying to grab your opportunities. So it may be someone from your work. They want to grab your opportunities, guys, and they are working against you. So you need to be really careful, guys, Sagittarius. And today, guys, Sagittarius, there are some big announcements coming. Maybe it may be something to do in your work, maybe regarding some projects. It may be some delays or suspensions you may see, or it may be some your life changing announcements, something which is creating a lot of confusion and stress. You don't know what you will do or what will be the future. So some kind of disruption is what is happening today, guys. Or it may be in your relationship. Maybe this person you love, they are telling you something. Maybe they are moving out, moving away. So something obstructing or changing the way things are going in your life today, guys, after this announcement or this message or some kind of news that is coming towards you, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what are the cards, guys, for your relationship first, and then for your career situation, guys. So for your relationship, we have 10 of Pentacles. So looks like things are going in a very positive way in your relationship, guys. You have that emotional satisfaction, contentment and happiness with this person. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have 9 of Pentacles. Again, a very positive card here. So maybe Sagittarius, whatever is happening in your situation, you are trying to find that balance, guys. That may be the reason we have positive cards in your relationship and in your career situation. Maybe the previous cards were something negative. We need not worry, because it may even be some kind of good news, guys, good announcement coming in your situation, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. If you are interested, if you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. So I will keep this card here. So let's see what is this card for y'all, guys. The first card, the human gift. So this card comes with a special guidance, guys. Maybe in your situation, in your circumstance today. In the past, maybe certain circumstances, it was not clear and you did not know what to do or what is the reason for that situation or what is happening or what happened in that particular situation. You do not have any knowledge. But today you are seeing things clearly. You have that insight, the truth behind that circumstance, guys, and what has happened. And it is simply shocking you. What you perceive today is simply revealing the truth, truly shocking for you. And you are feeling some kind of wonder, or you feel that you cannot believe yourself for thinking certain things, but what is right in front of you is something totally different, guys. And you are to trust your perception, the way you see your situation. And maybe what you perceive may be something dark, something not right, or something bad, but you should not judge that circumstance or judge that situation. So you need to see that circumstance or that person as it is, truthfully, with that compassion in your heart, and you will be shown the very graceful way to come out of that difficult situation. Free yourself from that darkness from within and without, and from your situation, from your circumstance, guys. So you need to be really compassionate and graceful when you perceive the truth today, maybe of some circumstance or some person. So if you have that compassion is going to help you out of this difficult situation, guys, in your life. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the other card. I will keep this card here. So the second card, let's see what is this card. So it is Puss in Boots. That is the card for y'all. So this card just means that you need to be really intelligent, charming, and using your wits and talents to make things go for you, guys. And you need to be really clever, and you need to be diplomatic in situations, certain situations, what needs your diplomacy. And in certain situations you should use your charming skills, your talents of persuasion to proceed in the right way. So whatever opportunities you are seeing today, maybe in love, whatever you need, you should try to use each and every opportunity, guys. And for some of you, there is a friend who is clever, who is really talented, and who is really guiding you with their intelligence. So if you have someone like that, you need to use that person's advice, guys. So that may help you a lot today. And I also see that you should not waste any opportunity. So you should go forward, grab those opportunities, whatever you are having, and try to work things out. It may be in your career or it may be in this relationship. And you, whenever whatever behavior is the appropriate ones, maybe sometimes you need to be diplomatic, and sometimes you need to be strong, hold your hold on to your views, and be maybe try to persuade the other person to follow certain things. So when your situation calls for that behavior, you should go for that. So handle any situation with that skill and talent, so that way you will be really successful, guys, in your relationship and in your life. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.